absurdly good player.
Yeah, if he played any other character, people would know how good he is.
His results would be
I'm glad I started this.
his results would be just as good, and people wouldn't have an excuse.
Arguably, they would be better because sometimes
his former main was Shulk.
sometimes he low rolls.
Yeah.
And he
Sometimes his down B literally kills him and he loses games for it
yeah.
too.
So like, but Fritos sort of
This is,
starting off pretty well.
This is another in the ongoing saga of Regulus having to fight Marios.
Yeah, he's had to fight a lot of Marios recently, and that's
Psycho has a secondary Mario that he brings out a lot against Regulus.
Yeah.
He recently fought Go McKenpy from Michigan, and Go McKenpy went Mario against him. And now we have Miami University's Mario in Fritos.
the first seed
Yeah.
of the whole tournament.
Oh no!
Oh, that was
that was slick.
that was super slick.
That was slick. If anybody can hear it in the background, Money in the audience just said, "Uh-oh, stinky."
Stinky. That was that stinky is one word for it.
Yeah. Uh-oh.
Oh no! As BG boys ourselves, this is
Right, yeah,
this is not good.
This is heartbreaking. We need to send Regulus our energy.
Yes. This is. I think this is an example of Fritos just sort of knowing what to do against Hero. I don't know why that's true, but it's true. Ooh, gets the dare Mario combos.
Mario also is very good against Hero.
Yeah.
Like
He sort of stuffs a lot of his options.
Well, like these kind of characters, like hard rushdown characters, with a lot of like good true stuff,
Yeah.
are really good against Hero. Hero's better against rushdown characters that are based on mix-ups than he is rushdown characters that just do true things.
Acceleratal, Regulus.
Ooh,
the Thunder from.
he almost got it.
Yeah, Regulus sort of struggling to close out this stock a little bit.
See,
he almost got it that one time. But
It doesn't look like it, but as soon as he gets this stock, the game's even.
Sort of.
With the rate rolls.
all right.
It's all
It's
even
not-
up. Thwack it 0.
Flack at 0 and
Let's
it's
go. Let's go, BG. Come on. Just once.
just once.
Everything on 0.
All right. Regulus going for too many neutral Bs
Yeah.
for our liking.
That's fine.
I like the side Bs, but they're not hitting. Nair didn't fall off. I think he knew that was gonna happen. Bear's gonna kill soon. Actually, he's probably gonna kill now. Interesting. I didn't know that you could try to 2-frame with dash attack on Mario.
All right. Regulus
Has to high roll a little bit more here.
Well, Regulus is definitely going to make a ton of adjustments in this kind of matchup.
Yeah, and also we saw a little bit of it there, but anytime Fritos gets a lead, Regulus can immediately snap and just press the down B button and get.
It looks like they aren't getting any game audio out of the headsets, so they're just going to run no game audio.
Oh, that's unfortunate.
Yeah. Switches to town.
Yeah.
Another thing about that kind of matchup is that Mario is really, really good on this stage list because he's really, really good at those like low kind of battlefield PS2 height platforms.
Okay.
They give him so much. So a stage like this is a lot better place to take Mario to.
Yeah, where he doesn't have
he
doesn't have low platforms.
Yeah, he doesn't get to take an extra 20% off of true stuff just for free.
Yeah.
Just because he's on the right stage. Oh. Okay.
Which is a good knowledge from Regulus here.
Yes.
I like Crackle Slash. That was a really nice parry into up B.
I'm surprised that back air actually hit his shield all the way up on that side platform.
I like the charge.
Okay.
That was a super interesting interaction.
Yeah, the projectile came out in the right direction, but he still side-swapped, and the animation still swapped.
So, yeah, Super Smash Bros. Ultimate, everybody.
Yeah, it's a good game, I promise.
I mean, it's a pretty good video game.
All right, back to this interaction. That was a very scary disadvantage state that Regulus got put in.
Yeah.
Fritos was definitely fiending for that air dodge, and Regulus gave it to him and just barely made it out.
And he got the spike. Yeah, I mean, Regulus really doesn't want to go low stage or low off stage against Fritos here, apparently.
Yeah.
Getting some Mario combos. Bear
Ooh,
just commits to the fair.
Yeah,
because he can.
commits to a jump read. He didn't get it, but I like that Fritos tries to put that lingering thought in the back of Regulus's head that says, like, I can't jump out of this disadvantage. I have to go low.
Yeah.
He hit him with the fair low, commits to a fair high.
I like the shield from Regulus there. That was really nice.
The standing still technique.
Yeah.
That
Fritos.
only Lynx and the hero are allowed to use.
Fritos doing the thing that like killed me against a Mario last night, just calling out jumps.
Yep.
That was nice.
Regulus not gonna run in on one of those.
Yeah, he's not gonna commit to that. And
Regulus,
it's kind of even.
Regulus can get a little scared in the corner, but he doesn't get impatient in the corner.
Yeah.
I lost 3-0.
And oof. This is super scary for Regulus right now.
This is a very scary scramble.
All right, it's a little bit more okay.
Fritos
That was
is
kind of
doing
a bad
really
up
good
B.
job of not giving Regulus any room to breathe and any room
Yeah.
to try and get those rolls.
That was a good grab from Regulus.
Yeah.
That was nice from Fritos. Just the up smash.
Yeah.
He read
called
something.
He called out that air dodge again.
And then didn't go for the option
But it
he
looked
wanted.
like he was trying to read an air dodge back onto the platform.
Yeah.
Because he definitely went for that option.
Yeah,
just back throw him off the platform.
Ooh. All right, he zoomed.
Get out of disadvantage free button.
Yep. Except if you manage to spike it, I guess, but that's rare.
Ooh,
And
Regulus misses that tech.
Yeah.
Unfortunate.
Yeah, unfortunate for Regulus. Fritos goes up 2-0. This is first to 5, right?
Yes.
Okay.
This is best of 5. So
First to 3, best of 5.
Regulus still has another game to work with.
I blame Sky Guy for being confused about this.
Somebody yelled at Sky Guy once because they got confused, and now it's been a saga of Sky Guy calling best of 5s first to 3s.
Yes. All right.
RSTB and Beach playing?
Yeah, this is super hard for Regulus. Like every time he's gone up against a Mario, he's struggled at least.
Yeah.
And Fritos being first seed in the tournament, it makes sense that this would be
a dedicated Mario main rather than a secondary who plays Olimar. It's
Yeah.
definitely a different beast.
Yeah.
Accelerator definitely. Ooh, that B reverse is so scary.
Yeah, that Accelerator B reverse is really wicked. It gives you just so much momentum.
I feel like usually when Seth hits a combo like that, or Regulus, Accelerator forward air, he'll definitely try and follow up with another one. I don't know why he backed off so easily in that situation.
I want to point out this is a lot more even than last game was.
Yeah. All of the games have started even. It's just been that Fritos has been able to seal the stocks easier than Regulus has.
Which makes sense because Hero kind of struggles to kill sometimes.
Yeah.
Like now, there were
as weird as that sounds. Heroes kill options are very committal.
Yeah. So
and
unless
they take
you're gonna
a longer time to come out.
Yeah, and Fritos is sort of living and dying by not doing committal things.
Yeah. Mario just gets to like stand in Hero's face a lot of the time and press buttons.
And he got the kaboom, so that
move is huge.
Yeah, that move will hit you from half the stage ago. Mario combos?
No?
Okay. All right, we're good. That was super weird from
That
Fritos.
was scary.
Yeah.
That was a scary interaction.
Fritos definitely almost died for that. Thankfully, he didn't. All right. Regulus throwing out a few sword hitboxes because it's kind of hard to, like he's just trying to space Mario out.
Heroes one good normal on that platform. Oh, okay. At least he didn't get the up B snipe.
Ooh, that was
a good, just tiny fade back to not get
yeah,
hit by that F smash.
that was very, very good awareness from Regulus.
This is still even. Regulus could. Oh,
it's not even anymore.
The smash forward, just 3 up smashes in a row. Yeah. Hero can definitely take this stock at 100.
Ooh, the grab though.
Yeah. That's a brave option. This is a braver man than I.
Yes.
Ooh, he only had Psych Up, not Psych Up plus Oomph, so that's not going to break the shield.
I'm scared.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is super hard for Regulus right now. It's not
Okay.
impossible, but it's hard.
He makes it back to stage.
Yeah. I think he would have made it back to stage anyways.
Hero's disadvantage state is definitely suspect at times. Oh. No.
And Fritos goes up 3-0 against Regulus. That was, it wasn't a massacre, but it was very